Making money on Amazon without selling physical products involves alternative methods such as affiliate marketing, self-publishing, and providing services. Here's a concise guide. Amazon Affiliate Marketing. Join the Amazon Associates program and earn commissions by promoting Amazon products on your website, blog, or social media. When users click your affiliate links and make purchases, you earn a percentage of the sale. Kindle Direct Publishing. Publish ebooks through Kindle Direct Publishing. Write and sell ebooks on various topics, earning royalties for each sale. Kindle books can be fiction, non-fiction, or guides. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Participate in tasks on Amazon MTurk, offering services like data entry, transcription, and surveys. Earn money by completing microtasks for requesters. Create online courses. Utilize Amazon's platform for educational content by creating and selling online courses through Amazon Video Direct. Share your expertise and earn revenue from course sales or subscriptions. Merch by Amazon. Design and sell custom t-shirts and merchandise using Merch by Amazon. Earn royalties on each sale without handling inventory or shipping. Amazon Handmade. If you're skilled in crafting handmade products, join Amazon Handmade. Sell unique handmade goods and earn money through this artisan-focused platform.